Colorado wildfires. Tens of thousands evacuated as blazes spread. Tens of thousands of people have been evacuated and nearly 1,000 homes have been destroyed as wildfires spread through the U.S. state of Colorado. The fast-moving blazes are burning in Boulder County, north of Denver. Some 30,000 people in the towns of Louisville and Superior were told to leave their homes on Thursday. Winds are fanning flames across the region amid a historic drought. While previous fires in Colorado have been in rural areas, these latest blazes are burning in more suburban parts of the state.
Use your laptop or other larger devices. If you lose your phone or other device in the seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat as this can damage the device available, as well as a wide selection of free movies and TV shows. Connect to the United Wi-Fi. Go to the UnitedWiFi.com and select the...
Holy crap!
I'm just letting you know, it's like, it's like super bad over here. You can't even see.
It's like a tornado.
Flying everywhere. It is like yellowish, black right now outside. Just letting you know. Yeah, you gotta close the doors. It's so smoky in the...